Hey, this is Big Mike with Route 66 Road Relics, and I just picked it up last week and got it delivered today. It's a 1950 one-ton Chevy Firetruck. It's awesome. I just kind of fell in love with our project is. We're going to be working to get it running. I think it has 3,800 original miles. It's like I said, just pretty excited about that. We ended up my wife's uncle in New Mexico. We were able to buy it from him, which is super excited. We also do have the siren with the light. That part we have separate right now. But I'm looking at getting like the wood ladder that's on the side, and just kind of a whole mix here. That's actually the water tank you're looking at right there. It holds its own water. And it's dually, it's a 1-ton. I only had one tire on it right now, and it was actually made in Phoenix, which is kind of cool. But yeah, we're excited. There's the inside, the dash and everything. We'll have to put new seats in it and do that, but I'm excited.